Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. In today's video, let us see how to prepare healthier version of Maggi. Last time when I prepared wet Maggi, someone told when did Maggi become so healthy. So in today's video, I am going to prepare this dry Maggi noodles with veg atta Maggi. And trust me, this is better than the street style noodles and also restaurant noodles. So let us see how to prepare. First of all, I have taken onion and capsicum and carrots and green chilies. I have slit like this, and then I have taken 2 packets of veg atta masala noodles. And now take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add veggies into it. You can add any vegetables of your choice, cauliflower, bell peppers, green and red, yellow, whatever choice of you have. And then close the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes on medium flame and put it aside. Now take another bowl and add 2 glasses of water and then add the Maggi noodles into the water and allow it to boil on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Later add salt according to your taste and then 2 to 3 drops of oil and then give it a nice stir. Now you can observe that your noodles have cooked up to 90% like this. See, smooth and soft. Now this is the time, turn off the stove and take a bowl and place a sieve on top of it and drop all the boiled noodles on top of it and add chilled water on the noodles like this. By doing this, you will prevent extra cooking of the noodles and also it doesn't turn into a mushier consistency. Now once you are adding all the cool water, your Maggi will be separated like this and also it won't be sticky. Now put it aside. Now take the same pan and add oil and add chopped garlic into this and give it a nice stir. Once you're done with the garlic, add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup don't add too much, that may turn your Maggi into a sweet taste, so don't add too much of tomato ketchup. And then add 2 to 3 drops of soya sauce or half a teaspoon of soya sauce and then salt to taste. Remember, you have added salt while you're boiling Maggi also, so check accordingly and then add salt. Now I have added our Maggi masala into the pan and give it a nice stir till all the ingredients are mixed well. So now you're done with the masala. Add all the vegetables of your choice what you have fried and then stir it nicely. You can also add baby corn, mushrooms, paneer, whatever you have at your home. You can prepare it according to your taste. Now add half a teaspoon of vinegar into it. This is optional, but if you add it, that will turn your vegetables into a juicier consistency like this. Now this is what we exactly want, so that when we add noodles, that will get equally spreaded and that will give a more taste to you. So add Maggi slowly one by one and then stir it nicely with the help of your forks. Don't stir it with your spatula. Again, that may break your noodles and doesn't look good when you present it to someone. So once you're done with this, flip it nicely like this and again cook for 1 minute on low flame and then that's it. Our healthy veg atta Maggi is all ready. This is so yummy and also so tasty. Now serve it hot in a bowl and enjoy either for your breakfast or your lunch or your dinner, whenever you feel like. Maggi doesn't have any time. Whenever you feel like having it, you can prepare it just within few minutes of time. So enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.